In this video, I'll show you how to remove third-party app access from your Google account. First, open a web browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap Manage your Google account. You can also go directly to myaccount.google.com. This will open your Google account settings page. Tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find data from apps and services you use. Tap Third-party apps and services. Here you will see all the apps and websites connected to your Google account. Tap on the app or service you want to remove. Then tap Delete all connections. Confirm the action. Once you do this, the app will no longer have access to your Google account. Keep in mind that removing access may stop that service from working with your Google account. So make sure you are okay with that before removing it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.